Every day, millions of fingers wage a silent war against their own owners. You wake up, you're minding your own business, and then, bam! A tiny, vengeful triangle of dead skin appears right next to your nail, just to ruin your morning coffee. Now, before you blame your multivitamins, stop. This isn't a deficiency. This is a crime scene. Your fingertips have no oil glands. They're dry, desperate, and constantly bullied by soap, sanitizer, and your gym equipment. And what do most people do? They yank it, like a caveman starting a fire. Bad move. That pulls live tissue, causes bleeding, and invites bacteria to a house party called infectious fingeritis. The fix? Soak it. Snip it, flush with the skin, no stubs. Then smear on some hand cream like you're buttering a toast. Do it every time you wash your hands. Yes, every time. Lazy people get more hangnails, that's science. Remember, your fingers are not chew toys. Treat them with respect, or suffer the consequences of tiny paper-cut level agony. This has been the Hangnail Chronicles.